Welcome to dear student. My name is Mohammad Shoaib. In this lecture, we discuss some questions about geometrical shapes. First question. In this question, we find given angles x and y. So we have this diagram in which ABC is a straight line. ABC. This is a straight line and BCD is a triangle. So BCD BCD is a triangle and ABDE ABDE is a quadrilateral. So we find work out value of x. So we find the value of x, also give the reason. And in part B, work out value of y. So we calculate the value of y. Now let's start. First of all, if we see this diagram, this is a triangle BCD. This is a triangle. As we know, in triangle, the sum of all angles which is equal to 180 degree. So in given triangle BCD has three angles. Has three angles. Angle X at B, angle 35 degree at C, and angle 30 degree at D. So as we know, sum of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. So X plus 35 plus 30 degree, which is equal to 180. So add these 35 plus 30, which is equal to 65, and which is equal to 180. So we calculate x. Now move 65 into other end. 180 degree minus 65. So subtract these two values. 115. So angle x equal to 115. So angle x we calculate 115. If we give the reason, the sum of angles, the sum of angles in a triangle equal 180 degree. Here we used triangle B C D to calculate x. Let's see BCD. So we use triangle BCD for calculate angle C. Now work out second part. Work out value of y. work out value of y. So here we find the value of y. If you see, this is a quadrilateral A B D E. This figure is a quadrilateral. As we know, sum of all angles of quadrilateral which is equal to 360 degrees. If we add this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle, which is equal to 360 degree. In second part, we find value of y. So here the diagram of quadrilateral. In this diagram, given angles y at A, y at E 95 degree, at D angle y and B equal to 115. So given angles y, we calculate y at A and x equal to 115 at B. We already calculate angle of x at B, and 95 at E, 30 degree at D. So as we know, in quadrilateral, angles of all given sides A, B, D, which is equal to 360 degree. So y plus x plus 30 plus 95 degree, which is equal to 360. So we calculate y. As we know, x, which is equal to 150, 30 degree plus 95, 365. Sum of all these angles, which is equal to 240, equal to 360. Now move 240, 360 minus 240, so y equal to 120. So we calculate value of y, which is equal to 120. So if we give reason of this 120, angle in quadrilateral ABDE sum to 360. So we complete question number 1 and move on question number 2. Here is the diagram of question number 2. In question number 2, we calculate unknown value of angle A. So we have this diagram. If we see, WXYZ is a quadrilateral. WXYZ. This is a quadrilateral, and XYV is a straight line. XYV. This is a straight line. So we find angle mark at A. So we calculate angle A. First of all, we write here the given angles. If we see at Z, angle is 145 at V. So here is V, angle 147, and at Y angle is A. So we use the straight line property. We use straight line property, straight line property. Straight line property in diagram, as you know, this is a straight line. So sum of two angles which is equal to 180 degree. So A plus 147 equal to 180 degree. A angle A plus this angle, ठीक है, A and 147 which is equal to 180 degree. So we move 147 to other end, minus 147. So value of A equal to 33 degree. So we calculate value of A 33. So reason angles on straight line, angles on straight line sum to 180 degree. In second part, we calculate angle ZWX. So given diagram is quadrilateral. As you know, all angles sum equal to 360. We add angle ZWX and A. So all of these angles equal to 360. So we write these given angles. Angle Z equal to 145, angle Y equal to 33, already found in part A. Angle WXY which is equal to 147, angle ZWX we calculate which is unknown. So if we add all these angles which is equal to 360, now we add 147 or 145 plus 33 plus 147 plus angle ZWX which is unknown. So sum of all these angles which is equal to 360 degree. So if we sum these three angles which is equal to 325 and write this as it is. Now move this 360 minus 325. So subtract these values which is equal to 35. So we calculate angle ZWX which is equal to 35. This is the answer. So second question is complete. I hope you understand this.